waste my time. Don't go blowing up my line. If it's ain't real, then baby, I'm cool. Seen it one too many.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Julia Hair. Julia Hair sent me over this ombre wig. I haven't worn an ombre wig in so long, so I'm going to show you guys how I installed the wig completely glueless. All you got to use is some gel. Not got to be, just like some extreme gel. So I'm going to show you guys my method on how to keep the sideburns down so it looks like you really glued it down, but you actually didn't. And I'm going to show you guys what came in the packaging. So yeah, let me show you guys what came in the packaging and then we'll get into the install portion. So it comes with this headband. This headband is super freaking cute. This is the box. They've changed their box to orange, which I think is so gorgeous. This is the satin bag. A wig cap. And then a goodie bag with a brush, a headband, lashes, and another wig cap. So that's all the stuff that came in the packaging. If you guys want to see how I got the hair to look like this, let's get right into this video.
That I make you waste my time. Don't go blowing up my line. If it's ain't real, then baby, I'm cool. Seen it one too many times. I know how to read the signs. So if you die, I know the truth. I need to remind you.
Yeah, nobody comes before you. There's no way that you need more. If I'm willing to give you all me, I don't wanna stay somewhere that I'm not on you. You say I didn't want you now. Can you give me love in that need?
Now baby, don't go playing with my love and don't make me regret falling in love. Falling in love. So far away, you'll never find my love and don't make me regret falling in love. Falling in love.
So tell me how you feel inside. I can see it in your eyes. If you're unsure, then what we gon' do? What we gon' do? All we gotta do is try. See both ways, it's a sacrifice. It ain't only about you. I need to remind you.
Nobody comes before you. There's no way that you need more. I'm willing to give you all me. I don't wanna stay somewhere that I'm not wanting you. Can't say I didn't want you now. Can you be the love and I need?
Now, baby, don't go playing with my love and don't make me regret falling in love.
Falling in love.
Search far and wide, you'll never find my love, and don't make me regret falling in love.
Falling in
Back home, smoking legal. I got more slaps than the Beatles. Foreign running on diesel, dog. Playing with my name, is lethal, dog. Don Corleone. Trust me, at the top it isn't lonely. Everybody acting like they know me, dog. Don't just say it down, you gotta show me. You gotta bring the clip back empty. You asked to see the ball, so they sent me, dog. I just broke her off with a 10-piece, dog. There ain't nothing, I'm just being friendly, dog. Just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mall. Doesn't mean that we involved. I just put a Richard on the card. I ain't going playing ball, but I show you how to got it too. If you really wanna fall till you fall, and your back against the wall, and a bunch of need you to go away. Still going bad on them anyway. Saw you I can feel like 80 rats in my Marys. Me and Drizzy back to back is getting scary. If you fucking with my eyes, just don't come near me. Put some bands all on your head like Justin Terry. Whoa. Rich and Millie cause a Lambo. Known to keep the better on commando. Every time I'm in my trap, I move like Rambo. Ain't a neighborhood in Philly that I can't go. For real. She said, oh, you rich. I graduated, call me Big Fish. I got Lori Hurry on my wish list. That's the only thing I want for Christmas. I been in my way out here, yeah, no, that's facts. You ain't living that you said, yeah, we know that's cat. You ain't got to ask me when you see me, no, I'm straight. DCOVO, we back again, we going back. Just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mall. Doesn't mean that we involved. I just put a Richard on the card. I ain't going playing ball, but I'll show you how to got to do. If you really wanna fall, take it far, and get back against the wall. And a bunch of need you to go away. Still going bad on them anyway. Saw you last night, but did it all day.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the hair turned out. This is how the lace is looking. This wig turned out absolutely beautiful, and I love how the layers make it look. I really like this hair. I feel like it feels so silky soft, and the density is not too thick, so it gives it like a natural light airy feeling. So they got a 10 out of 10 for that. I will have all the exact specs in my description box, so make sure you guys check down below for the link and the specs to this wig, like the correct specs, because I don't want to be telling y'all the wrong thing, okay? So yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out this channel. Don't forget to check out Julia Hair, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye!
Just to know you want you, so come close, I want you, I want you. Can I tell you something for why it's